Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can submit all your summer fruits or the tidal fruits to the basket during the high tide harvest event and grow a garden. Okay, now the event is coming, guys, the high tide harvest event. And when this event happens, you need to submit your tidal or summer fruits. And if you want to submit it manually, you can go to this basket and then you can hold your fruit and then you can manually submit your fruit one by one. Right here you can click on submit plan, but if you want to submit all your fruits, all the title or the summer fruits at once, you can talk to Georgia and then you can click on take all my summer fruits. And of course this method is better and faster than the manual method. You don't need to submit it one by one, but just talk to Georgia and submit all your fruits. It will make you submit to the basket faster. So I would like to recommend you to harvest all your summer fruits. And once you harvest them, you can immediately talk to Georgia and submit them at once. Okay guys, and that's how you can submit all your fruits to the basket during the high tide harvest event and grow a garden summer update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.